Hey there, I am Aditya. Today I am here to give you the technical breakdown of Unchained Protocol. But before technical breakdown, let's quickly go through the quick overview of what Unchained Protocol actually is. Unchained Protocol is an anonymous tipping protocol built specifically for creators economy. We combine Solana's blazingly fast transaction with Archium's cutting-edge privacy technology to completely remove the on-chain link between supporters and creators. We are launching with two interfaces: a Chrome extension that works directly on platforms like X and a dedicated web platform. This is first phase 1 anonymous tips, but we are building the foundation of private subscription, crowdfunding, and full creators economy stack. So why Solana and Archium? Solana gives us a sub-second finality and fees so low that even $1 tip are economically viable. That's critical. Creators need micro payments to work. Archium bring multi-party computation and confidential computing. This isn't just mixing coins. This is actual cryptographic privacy where even the amounts are encrypted. Together, they gave us something no other blockchain can match: lightning fast anonymous payments at scale. Here's an architecture. At the core, the Unchained Vault, a smart contract treasury that holds all funds. Every balance is encrypted using Archium's MPC. Our smart contract network breaks the on-chain connection between your wallet and the creator. There's an escrow system for unregistered creators, and everything executes through smart contract, fully automated, fully trustless. The Archium MPC layer wrap it all, ensuring every amount, every transaction stays encrypted end to end. When a supporter joins, they connect their Solana wallet, Phantom, Soulflare, whatever. We create their Unchained profile with one click. This profile contains their encrypted balance initiated at zero. The profile lives on chain, fully decentralized. When they deposit funds, our protocol breaks the connection between their wallet and their Unchained balance. Archium encrypt the amount so not even we can see how much they have. True financial privacy from day one. The deposit flow is where the magic happens. The supporter sends SOL to our wallet, our vault. Our protocol intercepts this and anonymizes it, breaking the blockchain trail completely. Archium's MPC encrypt the amount before storing it. Their balance update in their encrypted profile with zero public record. The on-chain link is removed. From this moment, nobody, not blockchains explorer, not analytical tools, no, not anyone can connect their supporters' wallet to their future tips. They are ready to support creator completely anonymously. On our web platform, supporters visit a creator's dedicated page. They enter a tip amount and optional encrypted message. Here's the key. The vault sends funds from our anonymous treasury, not from supporters' wallet. If the creators is registered, they get paid instantly to their wallet. If they are unregistered, the tip goes into a smart contract escrow tied to their username. When they join and verify their identity, they claim all pending tips instantly. Simple, secure, anonymous. This is phase 1, but we are building big. Phase 2 is about private subscription. Phase 3 comes with anonymous crowdfunding. Phase 4 about private marketplace, and phase 5 about confidential analytics. And here's our game changer. We are releasing a privacy payment SDK for Solana so that any developer can integrate anonymous payment in minute. We become infrastructure, not just an app. To wrap up, Solana and Archium give us something nobody else has: speed and privacy together. We are shipping a production ready phase 1 for this hackathon. Our SDK roadmap makes us infrastructure, not just an app. Everything open source, audited, and community driven. We built for scale from day one. This works for millions of creators. And most importantly, this isn't privacy by policy, this is privacy by cryptography. Financial freedom technically guaranteed. That's Unchained Protocol. That's how we are unchaining the creator's economy. Thank you.